Hello from Hengehold Trucks. You are looking at a 2023 Ford F-150 with 36,066 miles. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a touch-screen radio with Bluetooth, keyless entry, a backup camera, a reverse parking aid, a spray in bedliner, a receiver hitch, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.